What's going on, beautiful people? This is Victoria Elise. Welcome to my channel. Today we are cooking a mouth-watering, delicious jambalaya my way. Let's get into it. Before we get cooking, I just wanted to give a huge shout out to Stephen Willett. I hope you get well soon. I am praying for you, and thank you so much for being an amazing subscriber.
Your love is rated X. That means you're extra.
All right, y'all. These are all the ingredients that we are going to need to do this jambalaya my way. We got some shrimp, onions, some peppers, some kielbasa, green onions, some Creole, some butter, some chicken broth or chicken bouillon, some rice, garlic, bay leaves, and Rotel. This is all you need right here to make this delicious dish. First things first, we are getting our peppers all prepped and ready, cutting those tops off, getting the middle, taking it out, and slicing them and dicing them. Here comes our shrimp. We just gonna cut those bad boys up into 3 because they were a little bit on the bigger side. And here's our kielbasa that is completely getting sliced as well. In goes about 2 tablespoons of butter into our frying pan, and here comes that kielbasa right behind it. We're gonna cook that kielbasa down until it is nice and crisp. As you can see here, this is where I wanted it, so I'm taking it off. Now I'm adding in those peppers into that delicious juice that's already in the pan, along with those onions. The onions were caught off camera, so apologize for that. Here comes 2 cups of rice, and we are mixing that together, getting all those juices in there, making sure that rice is completely coated. Lots of mixing and letting it cook, is we want that rice to brown a bit because that's where our nutty flavor is going to come from. In goes some minced garlic. I love garlic, so if y'all don't want that much, don't put that much. In comes our paprika. This was unfortunately not pictured in the ingredients. Neither was the oregano, so I apologize for that. But both of those are going in there. And we just cover in the top of this rice, making sure all the flavor. Here comes the cumin. That's also going to be going on to cover the top. And we just mixing and mixing and mixing. Just making sure it's all that flavor is getting evenly spread around. Here comes our Creole, because without that, what are we doing? And our Rotel. Now, I told y'all we was making jambalaya my way, and we're doing it my way because this is what we had in my cabinet, okay? In goes that Rotel, adding more flavor and deliciousness into the pan. And I'm just letting that cook down until it's time for our broth. That's the chicken bouillon in there, and I did about 5 cups of water. We're giving that a good mix. Here comes that kielbasa with all the juices included. When I tell y'all the flavor was flavoring, honey, don't forget your bay leaf. We cover it up for a while, let that rice get that cooking in there, mixing it up, making sure nothing is stuck to the bottom. Here's a tour so y'all can see up close and personal how delicious it looked. Here comes our shrimp. This shrimp went in when it was closer to being done. Okay, because we don't want the shrimp going in right away, because we don't want rubber shrimp. We don't want that shrimp to overcook. As you can see, it's looking good. And you might be able to hear me in the background, how excited I am about this. But here is a tour of our final product. And now, of course, it is time to plate. I'm just putting a few scoops down, making it look beautiful. Here comes our green onions. Those were just for the top. And there y'all have it, y'all. Jambalaya my way with the kielbasa and the shrimp. And I tell y'all, that flavor was flavoring. It was delicious. The kids cleaned their plate. The hubby was happy. and my goal was met. So I appreciate y'all like always. I thank you for liking, subscribing, leaving comments, tell your friends, share with everybody. And until next time, y'all, bye.